Hello everyone, welcome to all in our today's lecture. First I will introduce to myself. Here I am Sathe SP. My subject is English. Student, today we are going to start new section from your textbook, that is second section, poetry. Student, I think you have already studied different kinds of the poems in your school. Learning poetry is a summarizing comprehension, composition of a few lines of the poetry. And this would enhance here the joy of learning poetry and beauty and lend beauty and rhythm to the daily usage of life. Student, there are 6 poems in your syllabus for this year. Here, first I will introduce here the poetry section, here the second section from your syllabus or textbook. There are 6 poems in your textbook. First I will introduce their names, here their titles. First poem, 2.1, Cherry Tree. Here written by the well-known poet Ruskin Bond. Second poem, 2.2, The Sower. Here written by Victor Hugo. Next poem, 2.3, There Is Another Sky. Here written by Emily Dickinson. Then next poem, 2.4, here Upon Westminster Bridge. Here written by William Wordsworth. Then 2.5, Nose versus Eyes, here written by William Cowper. And the last poem, 2.6, The Planners, here written by Boy Kim Train. Students, we have very important note about the poetry section, about the last poem. Here 2.6, here The Planners. This poem here reduced or deleted from your syllabus for this year. And this is very important note, this is very important thing. You have to write or note down in your notebook or in your textbook about this poem. Here 2.6, The Planners, is reduced or deleted from your syllabus or textbook for this year. I think you have already seen that the evaluation pattern of your 11th exam paper. Here evaluation pattern of poetry section. Let's here I will introduce here the evaluation pattern of poetry section. Question 3rd A and question 3rd B. These two questions are related to this poetry section, here the second section. One thing is very important about this question 3rd A and B. There are two different poems here given for these two questions. Here question 3rd A and question 3rd B. Here I tell you that here what kind of the question here, which kind of the question here asked or given for the question 3rd A. For example, here read the extract and complete the activities given below. This activity asked for how many marks? Here 10 marks. There are 5 activities here asked given in this question 3rd A. Each activity given for how many marks? Here 2 marks. Means total 10 marks for this question 3rd A. Then the second question, second sub question from this question 3rd. Question 3rd B. Here question 3rd B, that is the appreciation. Here given for or asked for how many marks? Here 4 marks. Which kind of the question here or instruction given for this activity or given for this appreciation? Here read the extract and write the appreciation of the given extract based on the following aspects. Here this activity, for this appreciation, the one thing is very important. Already I told you that is, there is another poem given for this appreciation. There are two different poems here given in this question, third A and B, from that 5 poems. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind. Here in the appreciation, they are given like this kind of the instruction, and also they are given the different points here, and given the instruction, you may take help of these points, or you have to use these points, or with the help of these points you have to write the appreciation of the poem into how many words here? 100 to 150 words. Which kind of the points they are given in the appreciation? For example, about the poem, here write about the poem, here the significance of the title, here the theme of the poem, form of the poem, here poetic style, poetic devices, here language, here inspirational message, your personal opinion, means that kind of the points they are given in the appreciation, and with the help of these points, all points, here you have to write the appreciation of that given poem into the 100 to 150 words. Okay, so here the question third A and question third B, these two questions here, these two activities asked for how many marks in your exam paper? Here total 14 marks. For 14 marks, you are asked this question in your exam paper. So student, here today you have seen about the poetry section and evaluation pattern of poetry section. Now we will stop here, and in the next lecture I will start new poem, the first poem from this second section, poetry section, that is 2.1 Cherry Tree, here written by Ruskin Bond. Thank you.